and then something happens again and you break through that one as well. And like each time the glass gets thicker, so like the force it takes you to break through it gets bigger. So you get more damaged on the way down. And like I've had this real paradox of like people who drink, they reach a rock bottom. We talked about it a little bit today. And like I kind of think a little bit like, did I reach rock bottom, or am I just stood on another glass bottom? And so when people ask me about drinking again, I go, I'm very worried that the next time I break through the glass bottom, the level of destruction it's going to cause me in my life is so much greater than the last time that actually I'm still scared. I'm scared because, in that situation, when we talked about my last day, is like, could have lost my business, could have lost my girl I was seeing so I always forget this point, that girl that I was seeing at that point is now my wife. I always forget saying that. So like, I could have lost that, I could have lost my friends, but I didn't. So the next time I drink, which I'm obviously not going to do, hopefully, is like, I could lose my wife, probably will lose my job, probably lose my business, probably lose my friends. So like, what's at stake next time is so much greater. So am I on a glass bottom or did I reach rock bottom? Is a kind of thought I always go through. So yeah, that's what I think about. So my kind of, when I talk to people about it, is like, at some point there's got to be a bottom, and sometimes there's going to be a glass bottom you're going to break through, which is going to do so much damage that actually rebuilding yourself on the way up is going to be really, really difficult.